This black land will never be able to grow food. But this woman still insists on watering with water every day. She and her husband carry 30 kilograms of seawater back and forth between the fields and the beach, dozens of times a day, just to make sure every inch of sand is evenly soaked, and then we climb on a log to get the sand out into the sun. After many turns until the sand is completely dry. What he did was to glue and dry. What is it for? It turns out that this is the essence of refining ancient sea salt under the action of sunlight and sharpness. The moisture in the sand evaporates rapidly. They formed white crystals. And what he does is he collects these crystals with a rake into a special sink, and he would fill the sink repeatedly with clean water to rinse the salt out of the sand. So it forms salt water and flows down the main pipe into a nearby pool. After a night of precipitation, it transfers this salt water outside, continue to dry in the sun. As time goes by, snow-white salt crystals began to slowly emerge. Sea salt rich in trace elements and minerals is prepared. Salt has been an indispensable part of our lives since ancient times. It not only enriches our taste buds, it has become an inseparable existence in our hearts.
Please hit subscribe button.